The chair is mainly made of soft bonded leather and high-resilience foam, which is comfortable and eco-friendly. The ergonomic high back chair is superb for the sedentary. Nice combination of comfort and support reduces fatigue and pain. Stitching is neat and solid. Reinforced chrome star base ensures stability and safety. The max weight capacity is 300 pounds, fitting most physiques. It is easy to assembling 7 steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Insert legs onto base and align both holes. Then screw bolts into holes with provided Allen key. Step 2. Press the casters into the holes until hearing the click. Insert the gas rod into the center hole of the base. Step 3. Align the seat plate over the pre-drilled holes on the underside of the seat cushion. Then tighten all bolts with Allen key. Step 4. Insert the gas rod into the center hole of the seat plate and press down until it is fully engaged. Fix the armrests to both sides of the seat cushion with bolts. Step 5. Place backrest on seat. Fix backrest and armrests with bolts on the holes below arm pivot next. Step 6. Tilt backrest until the rest holes are aligned with that of the armrests. Then lock the bolts. Finally tighten all bolts to the full. Step 7. Press caps into armrest holes to cover the bolts. Armrests can be raised up from 90 to 180 degrees, parallel to backrest. Raise by pulling up the lever while getting out of the chair. Lower by pulling up the lever while sitting in. Start rocking by loosening the knob underneath the seat and then pulling out the lever. Restore it by tightening the knob and then pushing the lever in. Don't worry about maintenance. Just wipe the cover and shell with damp cloth or cleaning liquid.
Loose the knob under the seat and then pull the handle out. Enjoy rocking. If you would like to stop rocking, just push the handle inward.